think static ads are dead? Think again. I'm Sergio from Profit Pulse Media, and I'm about to show you exactly how to analyze static ads that are crushing it in 2025. Static ads are generating up to 50% increases in sales and consistently outperforming video and retargeting. But here's the thing. Most people are analyzing them completely wrong. Every winning static ad follows a 5-point formula. First, scroll stopping visuals. Your ad has exactly 3 seconds to grab attention. Look for bold color contrast, unexpected layouts, or perfectly composed product shots. Second, snappy copy and headlines. The best ads lead with benefit-driven headlines. Think less clever tagline, more here's what you'll get. Keep it punchy and make the value obvious. Third, mobile-first vertical composition. Most impressions happen on mobile, so everything needs big type, clear focal points, and layouts that read in under a second. Now for the metrics that actually matter. Focus on CTR for relevance, CPA for efficiency, and ROAS for profitability. But here's what most people miss. Monitor frequency to avoid ad fatigue and watch that relevance score. A high relevance score means lower costs and broader reach. These are your early warning signals. For copy analysis, look for these winning hook types. Demographic hooks are crushing it this year. Controversy hooks drive engagement, and speed plus transformation hooks convert like crazy. Remember, one clear message, direct CTA, and always test your assumptions with data. Want to see how we analyze ads for our clients? Head to profitpulsemedia.co for a free ad audit. We'll tell you what's working and what's not in your current campaigns. Follow us for more data-backed advertising strategies for your brand.